So it is 6 a.m. We are heading down to Balmoral this morning for our morning paddle. But first, very important. So we've just left Balmoral. We are going past Edwards Beach, which you might be able to see here, in the Bathers Pavilion. We'll head towards the Spit Bridge, go around it, loop back on the other side, past Clontarf, and then back to Balmoral. Just leaving Chinaman's Beach. You'll see out to the heads there. Bit of rain on the horizon. Coming up to the Spit Bridge. So here we have the western side of the Spit Bridge, coming into North Bridge over in that direction. Some really lovely water on this side of the Spit. We're going to turn around, we're going to go back towards Clontarf. This is Seaforth just over here. And we're going to follow Clontarf around to Castle Rock and then back over to Balmoral. So we'll venture over this side and have a look. So one of the dilemmas I now face is that I've actually broken my paddle. You can see there. I now face the question mark, which is, do I paddle back like this, like I'm in a canoe, which is going to take forever, or do I head over to the Spit Marina and get a new paddle? As Shakespeare would say, that is the question. Yeah, I might go and have a look for a new paddle, I think. Let's see how we go here. I think they're actually shut for the next half an hour. I'll move my kayak up the beach, I think, and I'll make the best use of this very serious time. Okay, so we've just had a coffee, waited for them to open. We've got a new paddle. Now we're going to head over to Clontarf, back around over, and eventually back to Balmoral. Just finished going past Clontarf, and to my left over here is Grandma's Beach. Now we're going to make our way around this little headland here towards Castle Rock. Morning. Okay, here we go. Just launching off now. All right, we're in. Let's go.